TJ. From a young age, I always wondered what kind of person I would end up marrying. I knew that whoever it was would be a loyal, family-oriented man who loves dogs as much as I do. And I think I was right. It took me 20 years on this earth to meet you. We have grown so much together from that time, when we were only 20 and 21 when we first met. Our growth since then is immeasurable, and one of the most important things to highlight is how much you have grown. I can truly say with all my heart that I picked the most amazing individual to be the father of my future kids. I cannot believe that that same boy I met 7 years ago is the same person I get to marry today. I cannot believe he's who I get to do life with.
My dearest Alyssa, as I stand before you in this moment and by your side every day hereafter, I am the luckiest man in the world. You are the love of my life, my best friend, and my forever person. Over the past 7 years, we have shared endless laughter and love in the happiest of moments, while also overcoming obstacles and challenges when they arose. But we always did it together. Alyssa, I love you unconditionally and without hesitation. I promise to work with you to foster and cherish a relationship of equality, knowing that together we will build a life far better than either of us could imagine alone. Today, I choose you to be my wife until the end of time.
Even when I close my eyes, I feel you breathe next to me. It's everything I see.
It really has affected me today. It made me think how great these two people are. They're such both caring people. And in today's world, you don't find too many couples that are like that. I just can't wait for the both of you to navigate this chapter. And of course, you can't wait for grandchildren, right? But no pressure, right? No pressure.
So now, TJ and Alyssa, by the power vested in me by the Commonwealth of Virginia, I now pronounce you to be husband and wife, and you may kiss your bride.
As I got to know TJ, it became so abundantly clear to me why he was so special to Alyssa. He has a way of making my sister feel valued, respected, cared for, and always heard. He never belittles her feelings, takes care of her and her heart, and always owns his actions, doing everything with pride.
Ever notice symphony? You're the rising of the sky.
I have no doubt that the two of you will live and lead a beautiful marriage. So, raise a glass and join me in a toast for the newlyweds. Stay true to yourselves and each other. Be open and honest, and always keep striving to be better. To the Christinas.